The idle air control system on GM engines uses a motor-controlled valve to maintain engine idle RPM based on inputs from the PCM. An idle air control system tester kit is available from Kent Moore to test the motor as well as observe the signals from the PCM. The kit, J37027-A, includes a motor tester, system monitors, and operating instructions. The tester can be used on 1982 through current GM throttle body and port fuel-injected engines. The PCM controls the IAC valve motor to retract or extend the pintle from the seat. By retracting the pintle, more air is allowed to bypass the throttle plate, increasing idle RPM. Idle RPM is decreased when the pintle is extended, reducing airflow. To check the operation of the IAC motor with the ignition off, hook up the tester to the motor connector. Then connect the red and black battery clips to the positive and negative battery posts. The red LED on the tester will light to indicate a proper connection. Set the motor to minimum idle by moving the paddle switch on the tester to low for about 20 seconds. The flashing red LED verifies pulses are being fed to the valve motor. Now with the engine running, move the pedal switch to high, and the idle speed should increase. Move it to low, and idle speed should decrease. If the idle speed does not increase or decrease using the tester, turn the ignition off and remove and inspect the IAC motor. The pintle on the motor should move out and in as you cycle the tester from low to high. A word of caution: be sure to never push or pull on the pintle of an IAC valve motor that has been in service, or you could damage the threads on the worm drive. To check the driver transistors in the output stage of the PCM, hook up the system monitor to the vehicle's IAC harness connector. When you start the engine and run it at idle, the LED should flash, showing that pulses are coming from the PCM. As RPM changes, a properly functioning system will continue to flash the LEDs between red and green, with them never being off. If an LED doesn't flash, or only flashes one color, then the IAC motor is not receiving a proper signal from a driver transistor in the PCM. In this case, first check the circuits for faults. Start by moving the harness. If the LEDs begin to flash, the harness may be faulty, or there may be a poor terminal contact at a connector. Be sure to follow the diagnostic steps called out in the engine controls section of the service manual before replacing any components. The motor tester also can be used to set a higher idle for running other checks and testing. Just move the paddle switch to high to achieve the desired RPM, up to a maximum idle of about 2,500 RPM. After testing, be sure to reduce idle RPM to a normal speed before turning the engine off and disconnecting the IAC tester. Verify your repairs by starting the engine and checking for proper idle control by the IAC motor.